your intro.
Got him!
Yes, sir. What's going on, gang? We back. You already know what's going on. It's Saturday morning, man. I've been up early popping with it, trying to get that little CRF. That little CRF thing. I'm playing with it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. We just playing around today, man. Ain't no spectacular vlog going. We just random with this one today, man. We playing on the pit. Might hop on a YZ. You know what's going on. He right there. Don't play with him. So yeah, man, you know. Tap in, man. I got a little jump back here. I've been digging and hitting, so you know. Let's see what it do today. Playing. And I ain't gonna lie, man. This thing's been pretty good, man. Alright, man. Let's see y'all. Got a little. Little pit bike track. Jump right here, as you can see. It's tiny, but it does do the job, as you will see. Want to bike up a little bit, you know. Going pretty easy. Let's see what they talking about. So CR wheelies, man. I'm trying to get there, man. I'm trying to be one, you know, give a little pit like oh, there go my boy. Trying to give a little pit like pit bike like you know. I see. You gonna pop a wheelie, boy? Okay. Yeah. Oh, a tree fell, bro. A tree fell up there. Let's go see it. Matter of fact, I was editing the other video, and all I heard, boom. I heard this mother smack the other night too. Bruh. Damn, man. Dang. That mother killed a bird. Bird nest right there. Bruh. This mother get right in the middle of the goddamn. Bro, why you gonna touch? You ain't got no gloves on? That's why I don't like these trees in the backyard.
Daddy, I heard this the other day when you came to work.
Yep. This was the culprit. And there's a couple of more. 1, 2, 3. I was like, what is that? Boom. Whoop, whoop. Sounded like thunder. Dang.
You gotta walk over there.
Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby.
Boy, you eat hot dog.
Yeah, yeah, Clayton County, Clayton County, baby. I'm from Riverdale, shouted. Grew up with the Glock 40, 17, got my first dick. 18, hit my first lick. I was running around with Sneaky. Told me if a nigga but to leave a lickin'. Real Clayton County shit before the wreck. Pull up to the house party with a vest. Back then, face.
I can't go fast.
Better keep your eye peeled for the roadblock. 18 colors plus in the parking lot. Mafia pulling up, licking shots. Just a young nigga living high. Back at school trying to skip it with a thigh. Remember when we used to hit them outside? Want the hard on the shit with the fight. Niggas still, we can start a whole ride. Strapped up, don't try. Used to pull up to the sparkles for a lap dance. On the low, it's about to go down there. Yeah.
Clayton County, baby.
Yeah. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Yeah. Clayton County, baby. Yeah. Clayton County, baby. Shout it. Wait, see it?
Stop playing with me, man. YZ baby, man.
Yeah.
Yo, Alex, lighten up. Let's go, Matisse.
I came in for you tonight, so I'ma make it rain with this money, baby. What champagne can bring them lights? I just wanna see you go. Up and down it, up and down it, up and down it, oh. Up and down it, up and down it, up and down it. She going up and down it, up and down it, up and down it, oh. Up and down it, up and down it, up and down it, oh.
As you can see, man, it's not that easy. It is not that easy if they make it look on YouTube. I salute you guys. These bikes is tiny, but boy, when they lean back, it feel like you on a 450.
Yo, Alex, lighten up. Let's go, Matisse.
Bruh.